A Fetch Rewards sign-in error is usually caused by incorrect login details, connection problems, an outdated app, or a temporary service issue rather than a permanent account problem. By the end of this, you'll know how to identify the cause of the error, fix the most common login issues, and know when it's time to contact Fetch Rewards support. Start by checking your login method. If you originally signed up with Google, Apple, or another linked account, use that same option instead of entering an email and password manually. Using a different sign-in method can trigger a login failure even if you're using the correct email address. Next, double-check your email address and password. A small typo, an extra space, or an old saved password can prevent you from signing in. If you're unsure about your password, use the password reset option instead of repeatedly guessing. Multiple failed attempts can temporarily delay additional login requests. If your login information is correct, test your internet connection. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or the other way around. If the app signs in on one connection but not the other, the issue is likely related to your network. The next step is checking for app updates. An outdated version of Fetch Rewards may not work properly after platform changes. Install any available updates through your device's app store, then restart the app. If that doesn't solve the problem, restart your phone. This clears temporary system issues that sometimes interfere with app authentication. You can also reinstall Fetch Rewards if the problem continues. A fresh installation removes damaged app files that may be causing the login error. Just make sure you remember your login credentials before uninstalling the app. If you're still unable to sign in, consider whether Fetch Rewards might be experiencing a temporary outage. If many users are affected at the same time, waiting for the service to recover may be the only solution. Avoid creating a second account just to access the app. Using multiple accounts can create additional account review issues and make resolving the original problem more difficult. If nothing works, contact Fetch Rewards support. Include the exact error message, your device model, operating system version, and the steps you've already tried. That information helps the support team troubleshoot your account faster. To sum it up, verify your login method, confirm your credentials, reset your password if needed, update the app, restart your device, reinstall the app if necessary, and rule out a temporary service outage before contacting support. Next, save your preferred login method so future sign-ins are quicker and less likely to fail. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe for more Fetch Rewards tutorials, and check out our other videos covering receipt scanning, missing points, and account troubleshooting.